TV. Just click on extension, then click on install Chrome extension. So click on add to Chrome. So you can see add VidIQ vision for YouTube. Extension can read and change your data. Also, you visit modify data, you copy and paste. Let's click on add extension. YouTube. So let me sign in because I never use YouTube on this browser before. So let me just sign in. Yes, then I want to make use of the extension, so I'll click on the 4 dots, then click on extension here, and I'll select VidIQ extension. So I'll need to sign in. So I'm signed in now. So now, just since you are signing, you don't need to do anything there. Then you just go to your videos on your channel. So this is your channel, and you have to change this browser to desktop view so that it can enable you to make use of the extension. Just click on desktop version here. So you're in desktop version. Yeah, this is the desktop version. Since you want to edit your video, so you have to change it to desktop version. It's still loading. Network bad here. So I'll click on my channel or videos. I'll click on videos. Just skip. So as you can see, these are my videos. So I'll click to edit one of my latest upload here. Is it? I never do any editing on it. So I'll just click on it, then so you can see the extension has been displayed. You see the logo for the VidIQ here. So since I never upgrade again, so that's why it's bringing upgrade to boost here. So you can see this is the VidIQ SEO score. When you update the tags and the title and the description, when your description matches the SEO score, it will count. The score is over 50. At least you must get like 42 or 40 upward before you can get a guarantee for more views and more subscribers. But if your score is below that, then meaning your video will not go viral. So you have to make sure that you set this SEO setup to get a score of up to like 40 and above. So let me update some of the necessary things. New VidIQ features, see many new. Come on. So I will show you how to add the tag. So this is the tag. Just add one tag first. Like this video now, the video is how to make thumbnail. So you can add one of the tag like thumbnail. So click on how to set. You can see suggestion, right? So it suggests for me the tags that I can add. These tags are the one that people are searching for mostly. So when I click on add anyone here to be added, you can see. So in this area here, these are the suggestion keywords too. You can see 53.2, that's the volume that people are searching for. So I'll just need to click on this add button here. It has been added, and I'll click here too. This one too has been added. You can see it mark it. Then this scheme master too, it has been added. So if I need to add more again, you can click on this keyword inspector. So when you click on it, it will bring out the tab that you can use to search for more keywords. Just need to type number of keywords like up to 5. You can see search up to 5 keywords. So let me see thumbnail. Let me add high resolution. So I can only add one here since I've not upgraded to boost. So I'll just search. So it will only show me unauthorized. We don't need to follow, please try it. Because I did not upgrade. Fuck you. So I think I'll leave this page. So let me save. Make sure I'm be saving the work so that network will not disappoint you. So when you save, to check for the score, so it will reload and show you the SEO score. So let me see what is the SEO score of this update that I just did. You can see 35.5 over 50, right? So I will need to add more tags and more volume, adding more keywords that has a very high volume. Like you can see right here, tags that has keyword volume, like tag volume. This 545, I've already used them. So if you don't have this tag volume, your video might not go viral, because this tag volume keyword is very, very important. So in the description too, I will add some tags like the one that I added here, like thumbnail maker app or YouTube thumbnail. So let me add this YouTube thumbnail here, since it's not here as the hashtag. So I'll just add one hashtag YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. So this is this. Then in the title too, I can add one of the tag, because if your tag appear in the title, it will increase the SEO score too. So let me see how to make a high resolution YouTube thumbnail. Let me say YouTube thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail. So let me click on save. Then I will see the score again. So what will be the score now? Okay, the score has not increased, meaning I've not get the actual tag, and it's because I've not upgraded. So I didn't have upgrade. They will give me the necessary tag. So there are many other things you can do, like if you check these controversial keywords to tell you the word that you cannot use in your title or description. So those words are words that will make you uneligible for monetization. I hope you know what is monetization. Then this checklist, you can see add at least one card, add at least one end screen. So this function here, they are also very important because it will make you to get more views. So you must complete each and every one of the option here to get more views. So I think that's all for this tutorial. If you did not understand, just ask me any question. I'm ready to answer.